Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making elderberry syrup. I'm almost out. This is all I have left. I made some last week for my cousin, and so I probably just had like half of a jar left that I kept for ourselves, and so this is all we have. It's a good idea to start making this now and give it to your children. You take it. The C word is going around again, and it's just good daily maintenance. Take it. You can take it a few times a day. It is safe for children, the kind that I make. I do not make mine with honey. I make mine with monk fruit sweetener, and I give this to my 9-month-old and my 3-year-old. When my 3-year-old was 5 months, that's when I started giving it to him. I would also spray colloidal silver and just mist it in the air like this around him. And so he would just smell it, and then I was giving him syrup. And I've never had to take him to the doctor. Elderberries, I get mine from a local health store. I think this was a 1-pound bag. Yeah, this was a 1-pound bag. So I only have this much left, but this 1-pound bag was $32. So you could probably go to your local health store and get some elderberries. You don't have to get a 1-pound bag to start off. I think I got like little sandwich bags every time I went. Hang on. Do we have to tell them anything else? This is mom life. So let's go ahead and start making syrup. So while I was waiting for my elderberries to come to a boil, I decided to go ahead and make some lunch. I wanted to stay in the kitchen close by because the elderberries will boil over easily if you're not careful. Once they boil for 10 minutes, go ahead and turn it down to a simmer and put your timer on for about 50 minutes to an hour. that's how you make elderberry syrup. As always, thank y'all for watching, and if you'd like to see more, subscribe. Please give the video a thumbs up and share. Thanks, y'all.